Hello, my wonderful busy homemaker friends. How are you today? And today I want to talk about where do you fit in? Are you the super Mrs. Clean or the clean person or the I got to get more cleaning done than I should be getting done? Chances are you could fall into all three categories. We all do it one time or another, but you know exactly who you are. You know if you're the Mrs. Clean. The one that I'm saying is wiping up all the fingerprints every minute of the day. You're there talking to her, and she's cleaning while she's talking to you, and everything's just got to be so nice and clean. That nothing wrong with that, nothing at all. But we all got our little areas we fit into. Then there's the clean. Yes, I clean once a week. You get your bedroom done, your bathroom done, and you get your carpets vacuumed and the floors washed. But you don't classify yourself as the super Mrs. Clean. Then there's the I'm clean, but I procrastinate on a few things. Maybe you don't wash your walls as often as you should. Maybe you don't move the furniture as often as you should to vacuum under the couch. You know who you are. And then there's days it's just like you get in your mood to clean, you want to get it done, and you turn into Mrs. Clean. We've all done that. We've all gotten in our mood. And it's like, look out, here I come, stay out of my way, because I want to clean. Then there's days, okay, I'm going to clean it. I'm just going to get it done. It's going to be good enough. I got things to do. The kids got to go here. The kids got to go there. This has got to get done. That's got to get done. Let's just get it done. And it gets done. And then, like I said, there's a day it's like, don't bother me. Don't go near me. I'm not cleaning today. I'm not feeling it. I'm not in the mood. We all can relate. Now, do you think you can motivate yourself to clean? Oh, yeah. You actually do it without even realize it when you're in the mood to clean. All of a sudden, the sunshine hits you, or you're done looking at that kitchen floor, and you're like, oh, I got to get done. I got to get it done no matter what. It's going to get done. I don't care. I'm doing it. Because there's something that triggers you inside. And it's like, I'm done looking. I am done. It's going to get done. And yes, you can trigger yourself to clean. And sometimes it's as simple as just saying to yourself, okay, I got to stop procrastinating. I know I got to get the bathroom clean, which I took a poll, and I know everybody hates cleaning the bathroom. That's the worst room in the house. They're just like, I just got to get it done. I'm going to do it, whether I want to or not. And you get it done. Where are you? Where do you fit in? How do you fit in that cleaning mood? Now, we are on week 5 in our spring cleaning challenge. We're doing our week 5 chores now. And we have been getting it done. We've been getting the work done. And I wouldn't say we're all Mrs. Cleans. Some of us are, some of us aren't. And some of us have to procrastinate because we've got other things going on, be it family, medical, work. It happens. We all have been there. So, and then next month, we're going to be moving into the laundry room. If you would care to join us and bring a friend, because we're going to do everything from decor and more, ceiling to floor, floor to ceiling. And we're going to be talking about laundry room, all about it. Now, ask me about my special consultation fee for you if you want to get organized, decluttered, and get it done, stop procrastinating, so that you could say, it's done, I did it, and you feel accomplished, and you're ready to take on more. Well, thank you, my wonderful friends, and I will catch you later. Bye, my wonderful homemaker friends.